Hello friends, welcome to IP Reviews, and today I have the Poco F1, the newly launched phone with me. And this is not an unboxing video. I'm going to compare this phone to the flagship OnePlus 6. So as you know, both the models have similar specifications in terms of hardware. Both have 845 processor, 6 GB of RAM, and the model that I have is of around 128 GB internal storage, and the OnePlus is 64 GB. So, and the GPU is also same. It's a 630 Adreno 630. So let's begin with the video. Along with the speed test, I'm also going to check out the camera performance, the sound quality of both the phone. So friends, here we have both the phone together. On the left we have the Poco F1 and on the right we have the OnePlus 6. And if you can see, the screen of both the phones look almost like identical. Even if I see it from different angles, the screen, there's not a major difference in both the screens, though the Poco F1 is IPS and OnePlus 6 is AMOLED, but still there's not much of a difference. The quality of Poco F1 is also really good. The screen colors are intact even if I try to change the angle of the phone. So this is also a really nice thing. So IPS screen, and it's also looking really vibrant. So as you can see, in single core the OnePlus 5 scored 2450, and in multi-core score it was 8933, and Poco F1 in single core is just a little behind. It's 2412, and in multi-core it's 9082, ahead of OnePlus 6. So why is it so? I don't know. Maybe the OnePlus 6 is a 64 GB unit and this is 128. This is almost 90%, is storage is full. So now let's check out the Antutu, and in this the OnePlus was a winner. The OnePlus scored 285191 and the Poco F1 scored 265647. But if you closely look at both the scores, the CPU score of Poco F1 was more as compared to OnePlus 6, and the GPU score of OnePlus 6 was more than Poco F1, and user interface was higher in OnePlus 6, and the last one was memory management, and it was more in Poco F1. So yeah, in the benchmarks test, the Poco is going neck to neck to OnePlus. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to power on both the devices simultaneously, and let's see which one gets started first. So on the right we have the OnePlus 6, on the left we have the Poco F1. So let's start. Let's see which one boots up fast. So the Poco F1 was faster as compared to OnePlus. So before starting our benchmark or RAM management test, let me show you there are no applications running back in the background. So So friends, now let's talk about the camera. The camera of both the phones are really good, but let me show you the pictures that I have taken from both the cameras in portrait mode. This is the Poco F1 and this one is the OnePlus 6. So the lighting of the room was same in both the scenarios, so you can see a bit more detailed picture is there on OnePlus 6 because it's a f1.7 aperture as compared to f1.9 on the Poco F1. So here's one more picture, same but taken from different angle. Here also you can see the details in OnePlus 6 are really good, even on zooming it, and as compared to this, as you can see, the picture is a bit blur over here in Poco F1. The software upgrade will do the job. Next we see another portrait mode. Here's the Poco F1 and on the right we have the OnePlus 6. So here also you can see the difference. There's a bit of a difference in the lighting scenario. Picture on the left on the Poco F1 looks a bit light as compared to the OnePlus 6. So this is the selfie taken from both the phone. As you can see, the color difference is there. OnePlus 6 colors are more vibrant as compared to the Poco F1. Poco F1 colors are a bit dull. I don't know why that's the case, but the camera is decent, no problem in that. So but OnePlus is looking more vibrant. So friends, now let me tell you my verdict, what I think about this phone. So as you have already seen in the speed test, the Poco F1 was around 40 seconds behind as compared to the OnePlus 6. Main reason was the memory management. The memory management of OnePlus 6 is very good as compared to Poco F1. So that's where it shines. And as you have already seen in the video, first the Poco F1 was in the lead, but as soon as we tried to open the applications and games from the background, it actually reloaded the application. So in the OnePlus case, that wasn't the scenario. In OnePlus, though the Poco F1 cannot beat OnePlus 6, the flagship, but still you must consider that this is around 14,000. The base model of OnePlus 6 and Poco F1, there is a difference of approximately 14,000. So that you must consider. So how they are able to do that difference of 14,000 is the back of the phone is made of plastic instead of aluminium. So if you are going to use your phone without the back case or cover, it won't look that premium. Back cover that is provided by Xiaomi is also not up to mark. It's feel really soft and not up to the mark. If you check out the OnePlus 6 back cover, it is really hard, durable, and doesn't get off easily as in the case of this. Look, this is how loose it is. So I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and along with that also click on the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I put a new video. So keep tuning to IP Reviews. Take care. God bless.